God, he comes in steep. He come in very steep. Man, this plane comes in. Oh, the absolute fucker of an angle. I don't like it. I don't recommend this. Not this airport. The other one's okay, but this one is. Gorges down there, and they're not far. That is not far away down there. You know? There's a huge solar panel farm just over that way, glimmering over there. See a dam over there. Interesting. Some people's signals come on. Obviously the ground is not far. I don't know what lake that is, of course, but it's just something else. Ahlan wa sahlan, alhamdulillah. Why to come and leave me, oh, by myself? Why to come and leave me, oh, by myself? Why you come and leave me? Oh, wow, look at that solar panel farm far away. That is solar panel. Solar panels, incredible beacon. Amazing, huh? First time I've ever done this. I'm coming to the heat. It's going to be hot down there, okay? It's going to be like 38, 39 degrees. Very hot. Shut up. Alhamdulillah. Arabia, Arab land, the Kingdom of Morocco. Was that?